Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to make an Instagram bio. So to make an Instagram bio, you have to go to your profile first and then click on edit profile. Here I don't have any bio yet. And you can fill these columns such as pronouns, bio, you can add links and many more profile information. And to make a bio, you can see here in bio column, you can type whatever it is that describes you within just 150 characters, for example, like this. Alright, after that, you can click on done. And then your bio will be edited like this. I would like to add my pronouns too, so choose English and I will choose she and hers because I'm a female, and then click done. And now it will be displayed like this, and you can also add links and any other profile information. But if you think that's enough, you just click on done, and then your bio and pronouns will be displayed here like this. So that's how you make an Instagram bio. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in other tutorial videos from this channel.